Hello, welcome to your own YouTube channel, Kant Classes. Today we are going to learn about time and work, and we are trying to solve questions related to time and work. So, if you are new on this platform, please like and subscribe your channel so that new updates and notifications will be provided to you on time. So, let us come to the topic time and work. Here the question is Rajan can do a piece of work in 24 days, while Amit can do it in 30 days. In how many days can they complete it if they work together? तो राजन एक वर्क को 24 डेज में कंप्लीट कर सकता है, जबकि अमित उसी वर्क को 30 डेज में कंप्लीट कर सकता है, क्योंकि हर आदमी की पोटेंशियल अलग अलग होती है. तो इन हाउ मेनी डेज कैन दे कंप्लीट इट, यानी कितने दिनों में वे लोग उस काम को पूरा कर सकते हैं इफ दे वर्क टुगेदर. नाउ द सॉल्यूशन इज इन 24 डेज. फर्स्ट केस में क्या है, इन 24 डेज राजन कैन do one piece of work. Okay, in 24 days Rajan can do one piece of work. So in one day Rajan can do 1 by 24 of a work. In the same way, in 30 days Amit can do one piece of work. So in one day Amit can do 1 by 30 of work. Now the question arises here, in how many days can they complete it if they work together? If both work together means if Rajan and Amit can work together, if Rajan and Amit work together, so in how many days can they complete it? So if now Rajan plus Amit's 1 day work. Here the given work done by Rajan and Amit separately for 1 day. So in 1 day Rajan can do 1 by 24 of work, and in 1 day Amit can do 1 by 30 of the work. Now if they work together, then Rajan plus Amit's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 24 plus 1 by 30. Now the LCM of 24 and 30 is equal to 120. You can do it here. 24 5 ja 125 plus 34 ja 120. 4, that means 9 upon 120. 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 40. That is 3 upon 40. Rajan plus Amit's 1 day work is equal to 3 by 40. Rajan and Amit 1 day work And they can do work in one day, 3 by 40 of a work. Now the question here is, in how many days can they complete it if they work together? So now 3 by 40. 3 by 40 of a work. Of a work. Okay? 3 by 40 of a work done by Rajan and Amit. Rajan and Amit in one day. In one day. So one whole of a work, one complete of a work done by Rajan and Amit in one divided by, because 3 by 40 here will be divided 3 by 40. Now 1 multiplied by, when divide is converted into multiply, then it is reciprocal. So 40 upon में 3, 40 upon में 3, that is 40 upon में 3. Now this is in improper fraction. Now we will convert it into mixed fraction. So then 13 3 is 39, remainder 1 upon में 3 days. So total number of days is equal to 31 by 3 days if they work together. I hope the concepts will be clear. Please write it in a notebook.